Hey everyone, welcome to Janice channel. In today's video, we're tackling the pronunciation of a name that many people get wrong, Chrissy Teigen. You might be tempted to say Teigen or even Teigen, but here's how it's actually said. Teigen is pronounced Teigen with a soft G sound like gun. And of course, her first name Chrissy is just like it looks, Chrissy. So, to put it all together, it's Chrissy Teigen. Not so tricky once you know it, right? Now you can say it like a pro. Try it with me. Chrissy Teigen. Chrissy Teigen. Chrissy Teigen. Chrissy Teigen. Chrissy Teigen. There you go. If this quick guide helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you next time.